Welcome to Tech Explorer, where we dive into the world of cutting-edge technology. Today, we are taking an exclusive look at the highly anticipated Xiaomi 15 Ultra. With a 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and a 200MP quad-camera setup, the 15 Ultra is designed to redefine premium smartphones. Add a massive 6100 mAh battery with lightning-fast charging, MIUI 16, and a stunning ceramic rear design, and this phone seems to have it all. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra sets a new standard in smartphone design with its ceramic rear finish. This material not only adds a premium touch but also ensures durability and scratch resistance. The phone feels incredibly sleek and well-balanced in the hand. With Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front and an aluminum frame, the 15 Ultra is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. Plus, the IP68 rating ensures top-notch water and dust resistance. The 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display is a visual treat. It offers 2K resolution, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision support, making colors pop and blacks appear incredibly deep. With a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, the display adjusts seamlessly between 1 Hz and 120 Hz depending on the content, ensuring smooth visuals while saving battery. The peak brightness of 2200 nits guarantees excellent visibility, even in bright sunlight. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or gaming, the display on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra delivers an unparalleled experience. Powering the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, Qualcomm's latest and most powerful chipset. Built on the 4nm process, it offers blazing fast performance while maintaining energy efficiency. Paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, the phone handles multitasking, gaming, and heavy apps effortlessly. The MIUI 16, based on Android 15, provides a fluid and intuitive user experience with several new features and optimizations. The 200MP quad-camera setup is the star of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Let's break down its capabilities. The 200MP primary sensor captures stunningly detailed photos with excellent dynamic range and color accuracy. The periscope telephoto lens supports up to 10x optical zoom, perfect for capturing distant subjects. The ultra-wide camera adds versatility, delivering sharp and distortion-free wide-angle shots. A dedicated macro lens ensures you don't miss the finer details. For video enthusiasts, the camera supports 8K recording with advanced AI stabilization. On the front, the 32MP selfie camera produces crisp and natural-looking selfies. Whether you're a photographer or a content creator, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra has you covered. Battery life is another area where the Xiaomi 15 Ultra excels. The massive 6100 mAh battery easily powers the phone through a full day of heavy usage. The 90W fast charging gets you from 0 to 100% in just 30 minutes, and the 50W wireless charging ensures hassle-free top-ups. Additionally, the 10W reverse wireless charging lets you charge other devices like earbuds or smartwatches on the go. Running on MIUI 16, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra brings a host of new features. The software is built on Android 15, offering a seamless and customizable experience. The interface is clean, with a focus on productivity and entertainment. Features like enhanced multitasking, customizable always-on display, and game mode optimizations make MIUI 16 one of the most versatile Android skins. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is as durable as it is powerful. The IP68 rating ensures protection against dust and water, while the ceramic rear design adds an extra layer of elegance. The dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos deliver immersive audio, making it perfect for gaming and multimedia. And with an in-display fingerprint scanner, you get quick and secure access to your device. Priced at around $999, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra competes directly with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the Vivo X200. While the competition offers great features, the 15 Ultra stands out with its ceramic design, 200MP camera, and exceptional battery life. In conclusion, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a powerhouse that combines performance, design, and innovation. Whether you're a power user, gamer, or photography enthusiast, this phone delivers on all fronts. What do you think of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techsplorer for more in-depth tech reviews. See you next time.